Two HP heavyweights, one big showdown. Which one really stands out? On the left, the HP Envy, known for premium performance and great value. And on the right, the HP Spectre x360, ultra premium with every feature maxed out. Let's skip the hype and get to the real differences. Each category scores points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which deserves your pick in 2025. And the winner isn't always the one you expect. Here's our mind map for today. We're stacking up the Envy and Spectre x360 across price, performance, display, battery life, ports and connectivity, build and design, security biometrics, and portability. So settle in. We're covering all the stuff that actually matters. First up, price. So with the HP Envy, you're getting a much wider range of configurations, which, honestly, is great for those of us who don't want to drop serious cash if we don't have to. Fewer luxury features, sure, but still really solid value. Now, Spectre x360, you're paying up for those ultra-premium materials. It looks and feels amazing, no doubt, but it does hit your wallet harder. If you want the best-in-class build, though, Spectre nails it. Bottom line, the price win here goes to the Envy. Let's move on to performance. The Envy comes packed with the latest Intel or AMD CPUs. A real plus. Just keep in mind, some models aren't as beefy on the CPU side, so check the specs before you hit buy. But Spectre x360, though, brings in those super fast RAM and storage combos. The only catch? Most models don't come with a discrete GPU, which, yikes, if you're doing heavy graphics work. Spectre edges out ahead for overall performance here. Display time. The Envy is cool because some versions offer AMOLED screens, which look pretty slick. But, not gonna lie, the majority don't have OLED. So that's a little meh. Spectre x360 steps up majorly with vibrant visuals and sharpness. The OLED is bright and punchy. Just a heads up, if you go OLED or 4K, battery life can get chewed up faster. Display, Spectre wins. No contest. Quick pause. Did you know both the Envy and Spectre lines are actually 2-in-1 convertibles? You can flip them, use them as a tablet, anything. Kind of perfect for work, play, and, Netflix in bed. Next is battery life. With the Envy, I was pleasantly surprised. It's actually fantastic for productivity on the go. Sure, how long it lasts depends on which config you grab, but overall, super impressive. Now, Spectre x360 brings fast charging and uses efficient components, which is very cool, but the OLED or 4K models drain quicker. So if you actually care about all-day power, Envy is your guy here. Getting into ports and connectivity. Envy gives you USB-A, USB-C, micro SD, the basics most folks actually need. Bit of a bummer though, no Thunderbolt. Spectre x360, on the other hand, has micro SD plus the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tech. It's awesome if you want cutting-edge connectivity, but you do lose some old-school ports. Spectre wins the category, but there are trade-offs. Let's check out build and design. The Envy? It's slim, stylish, feels light. Easy to slip into a backpack. Not quite as luxurious feeling, though. So if you like to flex your tech, you might be left wanting. Spectre x360, whoa. It oozes luxury, elegance, and a futuristic vibe. Some models are heavier, admittedly, but if you're all about the premium look and feel, Spectre absolutely takes it. Security and biometrics. The stuff no one's excited about until they realize it's super useful. HP Envy gives you a super reliable fingerprint sensor. Works every time, but here's the thing. No IR camera, so Windows Hello is kinda there, but not awesome. Spectre x360 comes with full Windows Hello support, meaning face unlock and all. Not a crazy amount of security options beyond that, but Spectre is the winner for sure. Portability. If you're on the go, the Envy is lighter, more compact, easier to carry around, like literally designed for those portable vibes. Downside, some models have smaller displays. Spectre x360 is slim and feels premium, but with bigger displays and a tad more weight, you're going to feel it in the bag. Envy wins on portability, no question. Here's how everything stacks up visually. Price, portability, and battery life come out ahead for the Envy, but Spectre x360 dominates in display, build, security, and all those high-end extras. Both are solid all-rounders, but they definitely play to different strengths. Okay, so here's my take. The HP Envy x360 is absolutely the pick for anyone who wants to stretch their dollar and still feel a little bit fancy, easy to carry, enough horsepower, and doesn't kill your bank account. But if you want the best of the best, the luxury, the slick OLED display, premium build, and don't mind spending top dollar, the HP Spectre x360 is your go-to, especially for creatives and professionals who live inside their laptop. If you found this helpful, definitely check out hp.com to configure your perfect